Hi, I'm Brad Hauck. Thanks for signing up for the course. I really am looking forward to working with you. It's going to be really interesting. I think you're going to learn a lot, and you're definitely going to find how you can change your business online forever. The VS5 Framework has worked for me since 1996, so I know these techniques work. I've used them with multinationals and I've used them with tiny, small businesses. It really makes no difference, and it doesn't matter whether you're selling a product or a service. You can apply this to your business. Now, one of the key things I want you to understand about the VS5 system is that it will continue to work for you. This isn't something that's going to change next week when the algorithms on Google change, and it's not something that's going to be different as time goes forward. I've been using these same techniques for a long, long time, and so I really am looking forward to working with you. I hope you learn a lot, and remember, if you've got any questions, you can contact me directly through Facebook without any problems, or just send a message to me on Skype. I'm easy enough to reach, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I look forward to working with you on this course. I hope you learn a lot of things that you can apply straight away, and I hope if you've already got some background in online marketing, this reinforces what you already know and gives you a framework that you can apply time and time again. I'll see you on the inside.